I'm Claire V, and for today's daily drawing, we have the Lantern Oracle, and our card today is number 38, Repair. Making amends rather than fun times reveals a relationship's true constitution. So what is your relationship, and how is it today? So for this card, basically both of these people in this picture are doing their equal part. Basically saying that a relationship is going to be beautiful and long-lasting if both people are mutually involved in what it takes to make it work. And basically, if there's definitely difficulties and challenges in every relationship, and if these painful experiences also are how we learn and grow. So in a true relationship, it's okay to make mistakes. It's okay because we're learning and growing together. Sometimes there's lines that are crossed, and the healthiest thing to do is to accept the fact that it's over and apart ways. If it's safe after a conflict, it's best to take our distance and take a little time apart so you can put the shoe on the other foot, see where they're coming from, calm down, and then go in to communicate on how you feel. And welcoming the truth in whatever conflict with good and safe people benefits all around. You can embrace the differences and disagreements that eventually show up. So, the more you work at it, the more it grows. The more this men and women are building patches, the bigger and thicker and the stronger this relationship gets.